Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Ikram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. Secretariat-like building in every district in Telangana. Kishan Reddy questions Rahul Gandhi's Telangana visit. Why is Jagan Mohan Reddy speech at May Day celebration in Guntur? CM KCR speech in May Day celebration. Nepal earthquake, towns near epicenter devastated according to Red Cross. Telangana government is making plans to build a secretariat in each district of Telangana. The government is of the opinion that by accommodating all the government offices in one building, it will serve the better purpose, carrying out various administrative functions in one umbrella. And even the people needs and their official works will be done in one place. Already in this regard, work has begun in Khammam district. Some of the leaders of employee association have welcomed the move. Telangana BJP state president, that is Kishan Reddy, has questioned AICC vice president Rahul Gandhi purpose and proposed visit in Telangana. In Medak district, after performing Bhumi Puja for party office, BJP state president has made the commands. Kishan Reddy has questioned Rahul Gandhi where he had been in the last 2 months. He has faulted Rahul Gandhi raising his voice against the land acquisition bill as he took dig against Congress party over the irregularities of land during Congress regime.
తెలంగాణకు వస్తారని చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. రాహుల్ గాంధీ పార్లమెంట్ సమావేశాలు కాగానే ఎక్కడ పోయాడు, ఎక్కడున్నాడు, ప్రధానమంత్రి అభ్యర్థిగా ప్రచారం చేసుకునే వ్యక్తి ఎన్నికల్లో ఓడిపోగానే లీవ్ తీసుకొని ఎక్కడ పోయిండో తెలియదు, ఎక్కడ తిరిగిండో తెలియదు.
YSRCP chief and the leader of opposition, that is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, has wished all the workers of various organizations on the occasion of May Day celebration. Speaking to the people in the Guntur rally, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has said that his party will always extend the support to the workers community. On the occasion, the leader has reminded about late YSR's commitment to award the people. In both the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, May Day celebration are being held on a grand festive. In Hyderabad at Ravindra Bharati, May Day celebration are being held with agreement from the government. Telangana CM, that is KCR, speaking on the occasion, has stressed the importance of Telangana journalists and workers from different streams. He has announced certain benefit measures to them. Let's have a look on this report.
కేంద్రం సీరియస్ ఉంది, ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ కూడా సీరియస్ ఉన్నారు. మన అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఎంత తీసుకోవాలో మనం తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం అందరికన్నా ముందుందాం. తప్పకుండా దాని అడ్వాంటేజ్ తీసుకుందాం. ఎక్కువ శాతం ఉద్యోగాలకు ప్రయత్నం చేసుకుందాం. చివరికి ముగించే ముందు మీకు నేను ఒక సంతోషకరమైన వార్త చెప్తా. డెఫినెట్ ఇంతకు ముందు కరెంటు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందో ఎప్పుడు పోతుందో అర్థమే కాకపోతే భగవంతుడికి ఎరుకుంది. ఆఖరికి వస్తే మన ఘనత వహించిన మాజీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రులు వాళ్ళ గొప్పతనం ఏంటంటే పుణ్యం కట్టుకొని ఒక కథ వేసి టీవీలో చూపించినట్టు.
Towns and villages near the epicenter of Saturday's earthquake in central Nepal have suffered almost total devastation according to a Red Cross. Assessment team says that have found a survivor in a desperate situation. Nepal says 6,204 people are known to have died, whereas still bodies are not yet found in the 7.8 magnitude earthquake, and 13,982 people were injured. The fate of thousands more in many remote areas remains still unknown. Government has all warned that the death of all told could rise to more than 10,000. All the rescue teams from Nepal and the international communities are operating in the capital Kathmandu and the surrounding areas. Landslide and poor weather have hampered effort to reach isolated districts. The Home Ministry says that 20 helicopters carrying relief have landed in the districts of Sindpalkola, Dholaka, Rasua, Nokhata, Dhandik and Gorkha. But correspondent says that there is a severe shortage of helicopters, and although China is exposed to send more, Nepal has appealed to other countries for further aircraft. The United Nations on Wednesday launched a flash appeal for a rupees and a money of 414 million dollars, that is 270 million pound, to assist Nepal over the next 3 months, according to a media report, whereas 1.4% is confirmed funding. At Kathmandu's historic Darbare Square, soldiers and volunteers from human Chinas to remove the debris brick by the other and historic building leveled by the earthquake. Many are buried, then they can be used to rebuild these ancient sites. Soldiers are joined by aid workers, but also tourists. One French visitor said she just wanted to help, but it is an ad hoc approach which characterizes the entire relief operation. I met rescue and medical teams from France and China. After wandering around the left, we don't know what we are supposed to be doing. One French rescue worker told me their services are required in the remote villages where many are in urgent need of assistance. But they are stuck here in the capital because of no one is telling them what to do. There has become a growing anger and the government response to the disaster. Let's have a look on this report. Let's have a look on today's sports news. La Liga strugglers Granada's sack coach Vecino. Granada have sacked coach Abila Vecino after less than 4 months in a charge following Thursday 2-1 La Liga defeat at home to Espanyol, which left the Andalusia club on the brink of relegation with 4 games left. Tamimi Imral throughout Pakistan with record start. Opener, that is Tamim Iqbal and Imralul Khair, hit unbeaten century to lead a brutal fight back by Bangladesh on the 4th day of the first test against Pakistan here on Friday. Sunil Chhetri led support to CAF India's earthquake appeal. Indian football star Sunil Chhetri has joined hand with Charities Aid Foundation, that is CAF India, a non-profit organization lending support to the earthquake victims in Nepal and India. Athletics much embrace innovation for global growth. Sebastian Coe said, "Athlete must embrace innovation and respond to social, economical and technological challenges to teach its full potential and grow globally." IAAF President, that is candidate Sebastian Coe, has said so. Injuries hurt Arsenal title with lamented Arsenas and Wenger. Although pleased with the progress of the Arsenal side of this season, manager Arsene Wenger is frustrated injuries have hampered the Gunners' Premier League challenges. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex for today stand with 27,011.31 with minus 0.79%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 8,118.81.50 with a decline of minus 0.71%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rate, that is 1st of May, Friday, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 25,610. Whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 27,800. Silver rates for today for 10 grams, rupees 390. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 5 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Warangal minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Mahbubnagar minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 29 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's minimum temperature of Medak district stand with 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 29 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Secretariat-like building in every district in Telangana. Kishan Reddy questions Rahul Gandhi's Telangana visit. Why is Jagan Mohan Reddy speech at May Day celebration in Guntur? CM KCR speech in May Day celebration. Nepal earthquake, towns near epicenter devastated according to Red Cross. And that's all the newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News, and this is your host Gram Yamani. Sign off for the day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.